Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising. Let's see your monthly reading ngayong September 2026. This is a general reading. Pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay. Pisces, clearing. Merong cleansing, clearing the way. Maaring may pag-aayos, pag-organize, paglilinis. Sa lahat na ng aspeto yan ha. Maaring literal, paglilinis ng bahay, decluttering, or you're clearing your energies and removing anything that is no longer serving you. Deceit. Nako ha. I think ito yung kiniklear ninyo. Yung mga mapagpanggap. Yung mga alam nyong hindi totoo sa inyo. Lalo na't nalalaman nyo yung intensyon ng ibang tao. And I think it will be revealed. No? I-reveal sa'yo yan ngayong September. Kung sino talaga ang totoo. You will also have this new life, new opportunities, so part din ng pagbabago sa buhay mo ay yung pagbibigay ng space for new opportunities. Pwede yung iba, this is related sa baby, no? Like a new life in your life. A new life in the family. Pwede namang hindi ikaw, no? Pwede yung family member, may bagong member ng family. Or this can be a new life na binibigay mo sa buhay mo. Dahil, mayroon ka ng mga tinanggal na unnecessary sa buhay mo. Mga hindi totoo. Inauthentic. And now, you are coming out in your most authentic self. Your overall energy. Ace of Pentacles. New beginning. May bagong binhi. Binhi talaga. So, maaaring may pagsisimula ng bagong buhay, bagong trabaho, career, business. You have the Five of Pentacles and the Six of Pentacles. I think this is about your financial struggles and issues in the past na finally, nasusolusyonan mo na siya. You are now balancing your life. Nagkakaroon ka na ng work-life balance. Mas alam mo na kung ano ang dapat mong gawin sa iyong resources, sa trabaho, sa career mo. Your challenge is the Page of Cups. Maaring yung emotions can be challenging para sa inyo. Minsan kasi malambot ang puso nyo. Madali kayong maawa kahit na niloloko na kayo. Maniniwala pa rin. So, kaya kailangan nyo rin mas maging vigilant sa mga tao sa paligid nyo. Lalo na kung may kinalaman sa pera or resources ninyo na parang meron lang palang gustong benefits na makuha sa'yo, kaya nagiging mabuti sila sa'yo or they want to deal with you. Now, your opportunity is the Hangman. This is also your energy. Maaring meron kang opportunity na pag nilay-nilayan, pag-isipan, yung mga naging decision mo in the past, at kung ano man yung hindi maganda or mali na naging decision mo, maiintindihan mo kung ano yung lesson na dapat mong matutunan doon. Kasi minsan, paulit-ulit no? Paulit-ulit yung problema. It's like a vicious cycle. na hangga't hindi natin natututunan, nalalaman, na-figure out ang punot dulo nun, hindi natin yun maiintindihan at hindi natin matatanggal. Kasi nga, magiging paulit-ulit lang siya. 'Di ba? Speaking of pagtatanggal, you have the Queen of Swords. This is cutting off the BS sa life mo and being more focused on meaningful connections, meaningful relationships, na yun yung gusto mong magstay sa'yo. Now, the blessing is the Eight of Cups. Blessing in disguise ang pag-alis ng tao na to sa buhay mo or ang pag-alis mo sa isang sitwasyon na alam mo hindi na makakabuti pa para sa'yo. And this is also a chance for you na magkaroon ng iba pang oportunidad sa ibang lugar. Lalo na mas nakikilala mo yung sarili mo, mas natututunan mo kung ano yung mga dapat mong gawin para may bago kang experiences, para may makapagsimula kang muli. Six of Cups. Some of you are walking away from your past, like your past trauma, things na alam mong may natutunan ka na. At para sa'yo, lesson na yon na kailangang mag-move on para makagraduate ka na. Wow, o 'di ba? May exploration. You will find your way. There's also a new territory. So maaring may bagong direction na tatahakin ka, or bagong bahay, bagong lugar na titirahan. May new perspective rin. And also, you will focus on your resources, yung energy mo, vitality mo, mas magiging aware ka sa health condition mo. Maaring kung kailangan mo magpa-check up, magpapa-check up ka. Kumbaga, you're taking your health seriously. Wow, 'di ba? You are moving on. May completion talaga. There's beginnings. You're also making adjustments dito sa pagbabago na to. Some of you, new home, bagong bahay, bagong workplace, something new, something you've never experienced before. It's an adventure para sa'yo. Because you are aligning yourself to your purpose. Parang iba sa inyo, lilipat talaga ng bahay. May i-vacate, ganon. Oo. Lilipat kayo ng apartment or workplace. So, that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. See you again.